Good day everyone, you are welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how to activate the editing tools in SW Maps. So when you create a project and the editing tool are not active or not displaying, let me show you what is the problem and how to solve it. So here let me launch the SW Maps. So here I want to continue with this project. So in this project, if I want to use the editing tools, here is the editing tools, but as it is, it's not active and it's not showing. What is the cause? Let me show you a typical example. If I come here and click on projects, let me use this project 1 for example. Yes, this is project 1. In this project 1, if I place my cursor on this editing tool, you can see all the editing tools being active to add point, move point, delete point, add coordinates, and so forth. But if you just create a project, a new project, and this editing tool is not active, the problem is that you have not created a layer for that very project, and that is why it's showing like that. So let me come back here and open another project. So let me use this tutorial project for example. Yes, this is the tutorial project. If I place my cursor here, the editing tools are not showing. The reason is because I have not created a layer for this very project. So to do that, I will have to click on this editing tool. When I click on it, it will tell me that for me to be able to use this very editing tool, I have to create a layer for it. So no draw layers were found in this project. Would you like to create one? So I will click yes. Once I click yes, it will bring this interface for me to create layer. So let me just leave the name as default and the geometry as points, and then click on add. Once I click on add, the layer has been created for this project. So by the time I now come to this editing tool and click on it, you can see that all the editing tools are now active and working. So I can now move points, add coordinates, and all other things. So in short, this is how to activate editing tool for your project in SW Maps. Thank you for watching.